Hey, say, was that Shelly on the phone calling in sick? Oh, wow. That must have hit her pretty fast. Well, no, I just noticed she was on Facebook at the bar last night. You know, just a few hours ago, actually. So, must have hit her out of nowhere. Hey, have you talked to Kenny this morning? Been, close to him, seen him? No, I just wondered. Let's just say I wouldn't let him answer around him. Hey, you don't have an extra ink pen, do you, by any chance? I can't keep up with my ink pen. I guess I ought to go to Josh's house and get one. I mean, that's where they're all at with all the other office supplies. I know we're all supposed to follow the safety rules, and I know they're important, but it's nice of you to make the exception for Fred, you know. What? Oh. No, you didn't know, you didn't hear, oh. No, I just, you better talk to Fred. I'm not going to be the one to tell you anything. Not going to get anything out of me. You better talk to him. Hey, just you may not want to let Stephanie work directly with the customers today until she's had maybe a couple cups of coffee first. You know, get her about herself. You didn't hear from me. Hey, you haven't seen Ray around anywhere, have you? No? Okay, well, I think I'm pretty sure I know where he's at. I saw him walk in the bathroom about an hour ago. I'm sure he's probably still there. Sometimes he takes a while. Hey, is John okay? No, I just noticed he came in a little late and come in the back there, and I just thought maybe something happened. I don't know. Just worried. So you and Paul must be hanging out quite a bit together, huh? No, I just noticed that every time you're off, he leaves early. So I just assumed you guys were hooking up playing golf or hanging, doing something. I'm sure it's just pure coincidence. Hey, have you seen Steve lately? I thought you assigned him to the first floor project, but I haven't seen him down there all day. I was just going to offer my help. I'm sure I'll run into him somewhere. Well, sure, I'm glad Tom's feeling better. Oh, yeah, well, I know he's been off work sick for 3 days, but I saw on Facebook he was out with his friends at a bar last night, so I just assumed he was recovered, thank goodness. We'll see if he shows up tomorrow. No, I'm not sure who made that big mistake, but I'm not saying it was Jack, but it sure the hell wasn't me or anybody else. Hey, boss, have you seen Sleepy Pete? Oh, sorry, Slip. That's what all the guys call him. Have you seen Pete? Would you like to kick in some money? We're taking up a donation for John's alarm clock. Apparently his isn't working these days. No, hey Joe, listen. I don't guess you heard from Steve, have you? Well, no, I'm just worried about him. He's it's 10 after and he's not here yet. He's probably just running late again.